We're gonna get set up. We're gonna find. Let me get the stuff out. Just parallel park over there. Sick. Man, hey, where'd you get those wheels? I'm gonna move my car. So I'm gonna see how you're faced. I'm gonna face like that on this side. And then I'm probably gonna need you to scoot over.
Where, scoot where?
You'll find that out after I move.
We are moving cars. To figure out the formation.
Car like that, but on the other side.
Same angle?
Yeah.
Or opposite?
Like this. See how I'm facing that way? You're gonna do the same thing facing. Oh no, my camera. Sick. Come forward a little bit. Stop. 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 I think you're good. Go right in front of me, like straighten.
We are following the rev matched, doing rev matched things. Is it the DOHC? Let's do another shoot interview. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hi.
This is the middle of the shot interview. So what kinds of things are you looking for when you're taking JDM shots?
I'm looking for me to just do a good job. All right, time to get in the car. Yeah. Well, we're just gonna do the thing. Oof, the rice. Sick. RSX Type S. Oh, oops. Parking brake. Let's get the camera, and then we out here. Well, actually, no. We're probably gonna go to the next JDM shot spot. Can you imagine if I wasn't recording right now? Well, recording that one. Let's see. Sick. All right, you know what? Let's vlog with this guy. All right, hey, what's up, guys? So we out here, about to head over to the next JDM shot spot. Actually, I probably gotta go use the restroom first. Look at that sick RG3s. Damn, RG3s. Man, is that an RSX on some RG3s? Drive over there slow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got that from some guy named Rev Mash. He's pretty cool.
Yeah, bro. And then he got fired. That's crazy. Wait, no, wait. This.
I don't know why it stopped doing that, but then it started doing it. What?
Do you have the 1,000 horsepower tube ready?
No, we have 1,000 horsepower combined.
But they're donkeys, though, not horses.
Oh.
You gotta go in the back.
The wheel.